In today's video, we will take out the front logo and the camera on top of the front logo for 2020 Nissan Sentra. We remove the front bumper first. We lift the car a little bit. These are the 10mm screws which we need to take out along with the fender liner side. I'm using impact gun to take out 10mm screws, but you can use a round head ratchet if you want. Since we took out screws from underneath fender liner, this enables us to push fender liner and we can take out that one 10mm screw. We slightly pull the bumper. Since this side had an accident, that's the reason why half piece is already gone. But in the perfect world, if you're trying to take out this bumper, you just follow the same steps I showed you earlier in this video. It's the exact same stuff with no difference. It's like comparing your one leg with the other. Assuming we also took out the other side, now we jump on the top part. There were some straightforward clips that we took out using the door upholstery remover. We slightly pulled the bumper and I realized the plug for the fog lamp also needs to be taken out. That was it. We ended up taking out the front bumper completely. Once the bumper is taken out, now we take out the license plate cover, Nissan emblem or logo, as well as the camera on top of the logo. License plate has two straightforward screws that we need to take out. We turn the bumper to the opposite direction. First we take out the camera and it has two screws. We use T25 Torx bit with a small wrench, and going forward all the screws, they will all be taken out using T25 Torx bit with a small wrench. Once those two screws are taken out, now we take out the plug for the camera. Now we take out the emblem. There's only one screw that we need to take out. Once that one screw is out, you would notice there are 4 different tabs that we need to push to take out the emblem. That was it. There we took out the emblem. If this video helps you in any way, you better consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here's the video where you can watch the complete repair process for the same car, or if you want you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them and we will catch you in the next video.